welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover exercise 2.2 of class 6, that is whole numbers. Okay, here question number 1, what it is written, you have to find the sum by suitable rearrangement. I had told you in my introduction video about the properties of the whole numbers, that is commutative, associative and distributive. This will be applied on this exercise. Okay, so here A part, you have to arrange this according to the question. Here 837 plus 208 plus 363. So I am writing here 837 plus 363 plus 208. This is the associative property. Okay, so I am applying associative property here. So 7 plus 3 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, okay, and 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. So I am getting here 1200, okay, plus 208. So this is 8, 0, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1. So I am getting here 1408. Okay, I had applied associative property here. Now in the B part you can see I can sum this and this one. Okay, so 1962 plus 1538, 1962 plus 1538 plus 453 plus 647. Okay, so you can see that in the ones place I am getting 0. Like this I had rearranged, as in the ones place I am getting 0. Okay, this 8 plus 2 is 10 and this 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, so 8 plus 2 is 10 here, 6 plus 4 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 1, 2 and 3, 3500 I am getting here, plus you can see 7 plus 3 is 10, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10 and 1100 I am getting. Okay, so here 0, 0, 5 plus 1 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4. So I am getting here 4600. So this is the question number 1. Now let's move question number 2 here. Here question number 2, we have to find the product by the suitable rearrangement. We'll apply associative property here also. Okay, so A into B into C equal to, this is the associative property in product. Okay, so I will rearrange like this. So that I will rearrange like that in ones place I am getting 0 in 1 numbers. Okay, here 2 into 50 into 1768. So it will be easy if I am getting 0 in ones place here. So 52 is a 100 into 1768. So I am getting here 1768 100. It is so easy for product 3 numbers. Okay, in the next is B. You can write 25 fours is 100. So 4 into 25 into 166. Okay, so 25 fours are 100 into 166, that is 16600. Okay, it is also easy. So I am getting here 100. That 3 multiplication, if you try 4 into 166, so it will be longer one. So I had tried to get 0 in ones place, so that according to that you have to rearrange the numbers. Okay, here I know that 8 5s are 40, okay, and 8 1s are 8. So I am getting with 5 0 in ones place. So you can write 8 into 125 into 291. 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 is 20, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10. So I am getting 1000 into 291. So it will be easy for multiplication, right? So 291,000. So simple. Here you can see that 9 5s are 45, I know, and 6 5s are 30, I know. Okay, so in 0 in, so I am getting 0 in 625 into 16 into 279, and we know that 16 5s are 80. So 0, 8 is balance, 16 2s are 32, 32 plus 8 is 40, 16 6s are 96, and 96 plus 4 is 100. So I am getting 10,000 here, 625 into 16 into 279. 279, 4 zeros are there. So you have to write 4 zeros here. So like this you can simplify in a easy way. Okay. Okay, here you can see better in E part 285 into 5 into 60. Okay. So if you write 5 into 60 here, 5 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30. I am getting 300. Okay. So 0 0, 3 5s are 15, 1 3 8s are 24, and 25 I am getting 3 2s are 6, 7 8. So I am getting here 855 100. Okay. Here you can see eight 5s are 40, I know, and here also if you write 0 as it is, 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 9 10, 4 1s are 4, 5000 I am getting here, and 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. So how many zeros? 3 and 4 5. Here 5 zeros, 3 zeros and 2 zeros. 5 zeros are you have written, and 2 5s are 10. So like this way you can simplify in a very easy method. Okay. Okay students, next question is question number 3rd. We have to find the value of this following equations. So in this equations you have to apply the distributive property. Okay, that is multiplication under addition. So here you can see that 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3, that is the A part. So in this you have to see the common value. So here you can see 297 and 297 is common. Okay, so here 297 into, here what is left? 17 plus here 3. Okay, so like this you have to write 17 plus 3 is 7 plus 3 is 10, and here 20. So 0 you have to write like this. Okay, and multiply with 2. 2 7s are 14, 1 is carry on, 2 9s are 18 and 19, 2 2s are 4 and 5. So I am getting 5940. This is the answer. So this is due to the property. Okay, if you multiply this one, then this one, then you have to add, so it will be the time consuming. Okay, so this distributive property you have to apply for this long equations. Okay, I am applying distributive property in all the questions. Okay, here you can see that 54279 is common here, into 92 plus 8. So I am getting 54279. 8 plus 2 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10. It is so simple. Okay, you have to write 5427900. Okay, here C part you can see 81265 is common in both sides. Sorry, not in both sides, in this equation. Here 169 is left, minus 69. 81265 multiply with, this will be 69 minus 69 is 0. So 100. So I am getting here 81265 100. So this is your C part. This is the D part of question number 3 here. You can see that here it is given 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. So here it is 5, but here is not 5. Here it is given 25. So I can break 25 into 5 into 5. Okay. So here 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 5 into 5 into 218. Like this you have to write. Okay. So here I can multiply 769 into 5. Okay. So here you can see 5 9s are 45, 5 6 are 30 plus 4 is 34, 5 7s are 35 plus 3 is 38 into 5 into 218. So you can see that this number and this number will be common in both. Okay. So here 3845 into 5. So what is left here? In the under bracket 782. Now here you have to apply the distributive property, plus here 218. Okay. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22, 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 4 19. So I am getting here 19225. Okay. Into this 8 plus 2 is 10, 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10, 7 plus 2 is 10. So I am getting 19225,000. This is your D part of question number 3. Here question number 4, that is the next question. You have to find the product of the following using suitable properties. So we know distributive property. Okay. So 103 I can expand this 100 plus 3. Okay. Like this you have to write in expanded form 100 plus 3. Okay. Then I am getting here 738 into 100 plus 738 into 3. 73800 plus 8 3s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11, 7 3s are 21, 22, 4 1, 8 plus 2 is 10, here 1, 3 plus 4 5, 6, yes 7. Okay. This 4 1, 8 plus 2 is 10, 1, 3 plus 1 4, 5 6. Okay. 76014 is the answer of this A part. Now come to the B part. Here also I will expand the 100 ones. Okay. 100 plus 2, so that I am getting 0 0 in one's place. Okay. This is 854 into 100. This is the distributive property I am applying here. You have to write distributive property. Okay. Using distributive property you have to write in each question. I am not writing. Okay. 85400 plus 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 17. Okay. So here 8 0 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 is carry, 5 plus 1 plus 6 7, 6 plus 1 7, then here 8. So I am getting 87108 in the B part. Now come to the C part. Here 258 into 1008. So you can see that 100 parts is here. So you can write 1000 plus 8. So this will be 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. 258,000 plus 8 8 is 64, 8 5 is 46, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. So here you can see 064 is as it is, you have to write. 8 plus 2 is 10, 5 plus 1 is 6, 260064. This is your C part. Now come to the D part. Here you can see in 168 and 1005, here I will get 1000, okay, that is 0 in tens place. So 1000 plus 5 into 168. So what you have to write, 168 into 1000 plus 168 into 5, 168,000 plus 8 5 is 40, 8 6 5 6 is 30 plus 4 34, 5 1 is 5 and 8. So I am getting 168,840. So this is your fourth part, question number 4, ABCD part. Okay students, next question is question number 5. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liter of petrol on Monday. So on Monday, taxi driver has filled 40 liter. The next day he filled the tank, means on Tuesday, with 50 liter. So if the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, so how much did he spend in all on petrol? So we have to first total it and then multiply with this number. So let's start. Petrol filled on Monday is equal to 40 liter. Petrol filled on Tuesday is equal to 50 liter. Total quantity is equal to 40 plus 50, that is 90 liter. Okay. Cost per liter. Okay. Here cost of petrol per means 1 of 1 liter equal to rupees 44. So cost of means 90 liter. Okay, 90 liter petrol is equal to 44 into 90. So you can 0, 9 4s are 36, 9 4s are 36 plus 3, 39, rupees 3960. Okay, so this is the question number 5. Here the next question is question number 6. A vendor supplies 32 liter of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liter of milk in the evening. Okay, so if the milk costs rupees 15 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? Okay, so we have to find the cost of total milk per day. Okay, so here it is the solution. In the morning, a vendor supplies, like this you have to write in the problem sum. In the morning is equal to 32 liter. Okay, a vendor supplies in the evening, same you have to write equal to 68 liter. Okay, so total is total quantity supplies what? Supplies milk. You have to write milk. Okay, I had left it out. So total quantity of milk is equal to 32 plus 68, that is 8 plus 2 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10. So 100 liter. Total quantity of milk per day is 100 liter. So how much money is due to the vendor per day? So cost of 1 liter is equal to rupees 15. So cost of 100 liter is equal to 15 into 100, that is rupees 1500. So this is the solution for the question number 6. This is the last question of this exercise. Match the following. So this is given the equation and you have to match. This is the commutative or distributive. Okay. So here you can see that 425 into 136 equal to 425 into in the expanded form. So this is the distributive of multiplication over addition. So here it is C. Okay. And this second is 2 into 49 into 50 equal to 2 into 50 into 49. That is commutative under multiplication. That is A. You can see multiplication is here and the same number is here also. So this is the commutative under multiplication. Here also this is commutative under addition. So this is the last question of question number 7 of exercise 2.2. In the next video I will come with exercise 2.3. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.